3 Science Unit number 11 topic the solar system. SOLAR solar, SYSTEM solar system. What is solar system? We learned about solar system in previous lecture. I will tell you again about solar system. What is solar system? Solar system consists of 8 planets and sun. These 8 planets revolving or orbiting around the sun in specific path. Okay. Question number 7. Explain these. Asteroids. 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 What is asteroids? Asteroids क्या हैं? Asteroids are rocky objects. Rock किसे कहते हैं? पत्थर को. Rocky objects. Asteroids are rocky objects. Look at this picture. Asteroids are rocky objects. ये आपको एक ऐसे पत्थर शो हो रहा है ना, ये ऐसे लग रहा है कि एक पत्थर पड़ा हुआ है. ये क्या है? एस्टेरॉइड्स है. एस्टेरॉइड्स आर रॉकी ऑब्जेक्ट्स विद राउंड और इर्रेगुलर शेप. ये राउंड है बट इर्रेगुलर है. ये राउंड शेप में है बट प्रॉपरली राउंड नहीं है. इसकी शेप इर्रेगुलर है. ओके. एस्टेरॉइड्स मूव अराउंड द सन इन देयर ओन ऑर्बिट. Asteroids move around the sun in their own orbit. Okay. Number B. Comets. 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 What is comets? Comets are lumps of ice and dust. Ice, बर्फ और dust कहते हैं गिरदो गुबार. बर्फ और गिरदो गुबार के lumps को comets कहते हैं. Okay. Comets sometimes come into the center of the solar system. Okay. Sometimes comets come in center of solar system. Sometimes form long tails. Look at this picture. This is a comet. Comets are lumps of ice and dust that sometimes come into the center of the solar system. Okay. Sometimes comets form long tail. Look at this picture. Comets have long tail. Okay. Number C. What is meteors? Meteors are what we call shooting stars. Meteors are what we call shooting stars, though they are not star at all. They are not star at all. They are actually small pieces of rock, dust and metal. Meteors are small pieces of rock, dust and metal. Flashes of light in atmosphere. They are actually small pieces of rock, dust and metal that enter the Earth's atmosphere from space at extremely high speed. Now write this question on your class log copy and learn this question. Let's fill in the blanks. Unit number 11 topic the solar system. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The sun is shaped like a sphere. Sphere means a huge ball. SPHERE sphere. Number 2. The planets travel around the sun along their paths. जो सन के राउंड अबाउट में प्लैनेट्स ट्रैवल करते हैं वो अपने स्पेसिफिक पाथ में ट्रैवल करते हैं. नंबर 3. प्लैनेट्स एंड मून हैव नो डैश ऑफ देयर ओन. नो लाइट. प्लैनेट्स की और मून की अपनी लाइट नहीं होती. सन प्रोवाइड्स लाइट. नंबर 4. द अर्थ ऑल्सो डैश ऑन इट्स एक्सिस. स्पिन्स. SPINS. स्पिन्स. जो अर्थ है, जमीन भी है, वो अपने एक्सिस के राउंड अबाउट में मूव करती है. नंबर 5. मून कंप्लीट वन रोटेशन इन डैश डेज. 29 days. मून टेक्स 29 days to completing her rotation. Number 6. Asteroids are dash objects. Asteroids are rocky objects. Okay. Now you write these blanks on your class of copies. Let's sheet. Look at this picture. This is the sun and this is our earth. Earth is a planet. Earth is revolving around the sun. Okay. This is our earth. And earth rotate Earth rotates on its axis. Okay, this is axis, and this rotation is called, this spinning is called rotation, and this is equator. Asteroids. Asteroids are rocky objects. This is a rocky object. Comets. This is a comets. Comets are lumps of ice and dust. Okay, now you write this on your copies and learn this. Thank you so much.